Hi my soulmates! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to sew a straight line, step by step. You can download the exercise guide I'm using for free from the link in the video caption. Once you have printed it out, cut the sheet in half, down the middle. On digital sewing machines, you can select the straight stitch pattern. Mine is marked 00 and 01. The dot shows the needle's position. When the dot is on the left-hand side, the needle will move to the left. When the dot is in the center, the needle will be centered. For this exercise, we'll be using the needle in the center, so we will set the machine with the seal-1 stitch pattern. For manual sewing machines, you should have a setting with a button or a dial, such as this one. Your machine should also have a needle position setting, which you will need to center as well. When choosing which Presserfoot to use, the best option is one that is transparent with a guide marking in the center. This will make it easier for you to follow a straight line. If you have other style with a guide marking in the center, that works too. Now, we will start practicing on the slow speed from our exercise guide. The first thing we'll be learning is to sew a backstitch. At the beginning and end of the exercise, you will need to do 3-stitch backstitch. Backstitching helps your stitch stay strong and not come undone. Do your best to complete your backstitch in 3 stitches. When you're starting your backstitch, keep a 3-stitch gap before dropping down your needle. Make 3 stitches backwards. 1, 2, 3, stop, then continue forwards. Before you actually start your exercise, align the guide marking on your Presserfoot to the starting point of your backstitch. When your Presserfoot is at the right mark, go ahead and press the drop needle button on your machine. You can also use the balance wheel on the side of your sewing machine and turn it towards yourself to do the same. After your needle has been placed, you can press the backstitch button on your machine. You don't have to let go of the button in between stitches or press the foot pedal. But on some sewing machine, you will need to hold the button and press the foot pedal at the same time in order to backstitch. Stop after you have completed 3 backstitches. Beginner can adjust the speed to the slowest setting. After completing the backstitch, make sure the guide mark on your Presserfoot is lined up straight. While stitching, you can keep both hands on the paper, which gives you better control with the direction and movement. The important part of this exercise is to ensure you're able to keep the guide mark in line with your exercise sheet. At the end, repeat the 3-stitch backstitch and lift up your needle to finish the exercise. Once you are able to do the slow speed, you can try increasing the speed on your sewing machine and give it a go again. Lastly, I'd like to show you a 3-2-1 exercise that will help you to master sewing straight lines. After the backstitch, sew 3 stitches forward. Stop, 2 stitches. Finally, 1 stitch. Practicing the 3-2-1 exercise will give you better control of your sewing machine and help you practice stopping and starting more accurately. You can also practice this exercise at different speeds. Thank you. Hope you all enjoy learning with my soulmate. Bye bye.